Okay. Just push forward on them and they just pop out. No big deal. Push them out, and then to put them back in, you just start from the front. You know, just sit them in the bottom of the frame. Make sure that they're in there nicely, and then just push inward. They will click into place when they're fully inserted. I'm changing mine out because I actually accidentally broke my frames, not by changing the lenses, but I somehow crushed them and they started cracking along the top of the frame. So it had nothing to do with removing the lenses. That's it. Very easy to do. Pop it out again. That's it. Check out my channel. We got hundreds of other videos relating to stuff around the house, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, classic cars, motocross bikes, fixing stuff, all kinds of cool videos. If our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. We appreciate any and all donations. Like, subscribe, follow, and y'all have a great day.